It has indeed been a beautiful evening, and it only continues to get more and more exciting. And I'm here with the Speaker of the Cross River State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Elvert Ayambem. How are you this evening?
Wonderful.
Wonderful is the word. Now, we have had hours and hours of pure beauty, pure parade of the bands, the mother of them all. What has been your assessment of what the bands have done thus far?
You know, it's been back-to-back engagements with these bands today, and we intend to go all through the night. In all fairness, I think over time this has been one of the best carnivals so far, because the energy has been electric, and everybody is very enthusiastic about ending it properly and seeing it to the end of the day who wins this particular best band of the year. Myself, I'm very edgy. Even the governor himself there is a little bit edgy, and he's asking question, who is going to win then? Because everybody is top-notch. Everybody is performing at the highest apex.
It is a season of shared prosperity. What does that mean to you, really?
Man, it's basically consolidating on our gains. Before this period, there are a whole lot of things. Cross River State was almost at the brink of collapse. But with this current governor we have now, who has the minds of the people at heart, he has the interests of the people at heart. A couple of things has been turned around by his administration. So we are basically consolidating on the gains of Cross River State. Cross River State is back on track. Cross River State is back working again. Cross River State is regarded in the Committee of State in this country. So we are basically consolidating on our gains. And to be perfectly honest and candid with you, even the civil servants, you can see that their faces are glooming. There's this joy radiating all over their faces because of the kind of governor we have. Just imagine a situation whereby you put in your 35 years and then you don't have pension, you don't have gratuity. Most of them die even before these monies are made available. But with the governor we have today, we have spent well above 15 billion naira paying gratuity. So even the civil servants, the retirees are happy. The entire state is elated, if I must say.
Wow, this is truly heartwarming. And I mean, you're a lawmaker, and naturally, if things that don't add up or bring value to the people are brought to the house, it will be thrown out. So when it comes to the carnival and everything about it, really, when it comes to the house, how is it treated usually? Thumbs up or?
Carnival has come to stay. It was just an innovation that was bettered by the then governor, His Excellency Donald Duke. But if you're governor of Cross River State and you don't consider carnival, then you must have a rethink, because Cross Riverians will never be happy with you, to be honest with you. I remember the COVID year when we didn't have this carnival. People were bored. Of course, you know that the hardship is telling on everybody. And just imagine that these 31 days of December, people stay at home without this event or without a Christmas village. I tell you on good authority that you have cases of suicide. Carnival has come to stay. So for everything that concerns Carnival, once it comes to the Cross River State House of Assembly, and with me as a Speaker of Cross River, in fact, it's a thumbs up. You don't really need to outstretch yourself. If the budget is not accurate, we will enlarge the budget to ensure that it is properly done, because we must continue to stand out. Trust me on this, we must continue to stand out.
I said it before, this is truly heartwarming. So I'm going to put you on the spot. It's my bad habit. Do you have any favorite band, any band you're rooting for? Don't worry, nobody's listening.
No, every band. In all fairness, I am a Cross Riverian and I mustn't take side with any band. Let the best performer, let the best band take the day.
All of you had a meeting to answer me like this?
Not really. But true to it, let the best band take the day.
Absolutely. Let the best band win. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your evening.
Thank you so very much. I appreciate it.